Welcome to Tech with AI, your gateway to the future of technology. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to Tech with AI, the channel where technology meets the power of artificial intelligence. I'm Ali, and I'm thrilled to have you here as we embark on an exciting journey into the world of AI-driven tech. In this channel, we're all about exploring the latest advancements in technology and how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Whether you're an AI enthusiast or just getting started with tech, you're in the right place. Expect a wide range of engaging content, including tech news and updates, deep dives into the latest AI applications, software and gadget reviews, educational tutorials, and much more. We'll cover everything from the basics of AI to cutting-edge innovations, all delivered with a unique AI-driven perspective. A little bit about myself. I'm Ali, a tech enthusiast with a passion for artificial intelligence. With a background in tech influencer, I'm excited to share my knowledge and insights with you. But more than that, I'm here to learn and grow together as we explore this ever-evolving tech landscape. This channel is not just about me, it's about building a community of tech enthusiasts like you. I want to hear your thoughts, questions, and suggestions in the comments below. Together, we'll create an interactive and supportive space where we can geek out over all things tech and AI. If you're as excited as I am about the future of technology and artificial intelligence, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our AI-powered content. Also, follow us on our social media platforms for updates and more tech discussions. Thank you for joining me today and being a part of the Tech with AI community. I can't wait to dive into the exciting world of AI-driven tech with you. Remember to subscribe, stay curious, and let's explore the limitless possibilities of technology together. Until next time, this is Ali, signing off. Thanks for watching.